काजल, this is unbearable. वैसे ना 22 साल से हम एक दूसरे को झेल रहे हैं.
I'm hot, you're not. I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. 9XC.
Welcome to 9XC, the show. So it's great to have you here.
Thank you so much, Vicky. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Varun.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Kriti. So we'll start with you, of course. Tell us how this whole movie fell into place and you decided to produce it as well. How did this whole thing happen? After Chennai Express, he went to the next movie. That is Singham Returns.
Yeah. Rohit had a couple of scripts when we were working in Chennai, and he kind of gave me an inkling of the idea here. At that point, it was little different than what it is now. But the basic germ and the skeleton of the film was the same. It was a story of a couple of brothers or maybe more. And he said, I want to make this film next, so I'll prepare it while I'm finishing Singham, then I'll do it. And then he prepared it. And I've not told this to anyone. The first person cast in the film even before me is actually Varun. He said, मैं वरुण से बात कर लूँगा. There should be Varun in the film, and so आप होंगे, and Kajol and Kriti came in actually, and not taking anything away from the beauty and talent. But Varun was the first person to be cast in the film, and he came and narrated, and you know, it's a like a Rohit Shetty kind of film. It's a brand of his own, which has a lot of fun and games. But I think what we've added this time is a little more romance, and brought in a little more. How do you say? We're making Rohit Shetty a lover rather than just a action fun comic director.
So Varun, how did you feel when you knew that you were going to act with Shah Rukh Khan? That first day at home must be maddening. You must be dancing. You must be jumping.
It was really huge. I think first of all, I said this during Student as well, that Rohit sir is one of my favorite directors. Then in the same film to work with such legendary actors, having Shah Rukh, Kajol in that same film, it was something else. So actually, when he narrated me the film, Rohit sir, and he told me that Shah Rukh sir will be playing your elder brother and stuff like that, I was like, wow, it doesn't obviously get bigger than that. And obviously the rest of the cast wasn't cast at that time. But I was jumping, but I was a little nervous because it wasn't just Shah Rukh sir, Kajol, there was Johnny Lever, there's Sanjay Mishra, there's, Rohit sir always has these amazing characters, and then to be able to do comedy with them or to match up with them, 5 films old, I was a little bit weary that will I be able to match up to them. So it was a task initially. But I think he held my hand, Shah Rukh sir held my hand throughout the process, and actually I felt this way even during Main Tera Hero, like the way my dad got me in and then made me do stuff like that. This felt very similar to that process. It was like family, and actually they babied me a lot in this film, I have to say. And
आपने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी कि शाहरुख सर हैं कि
full पता नहीं हमारे इंडस्ट्री में बातचीत होती रहती है कि 2 हीरोज ये रोल वो, बट लेट मी टेल एवरीवन दैट जितना भी रोल मैंने सुना था मेरा वही है, इनफैक्ट ज़्यादा है. आई हैव गॉट मोर देन व्हाट आई वाज प्रॉमिस्ड, एंड it's an amazing film, and it's a film, it's not just a project, I have to say. Dilwale is a proper film, and just for the cinematic experience, please come on December.
Kriti, what happened to you when you realized that you're in the film?
Firstly, it just happened really fast because I just went for one meeting with Rohit sir where they gave a brief narration to me, and then it just happened. So I didn't have that time to kind of really realize, and it's just my second film. I don't come from a film background, so I've grown up watching Shah Rukh Kajol movies, and of course Rohit sir is a great director. Just as my second film, to get a project like this was a very huge deal for me. It took a while to kind of realize. I was very nervous about it as well, but I think जब हमने film shoot की है, it's just been the most amazing experience of my life. I think how everybody is with each other, it did turn out to be like a family, and I'm really going to miss all of this.
And with all credit to Shah Rukh sir and Kajol ma'am, they never let us feel that way, ever. And I'll be very honest about this. Not even once did we feel that we are working with people who are much senior to us or way bigger stars than us. They behave like regular people, not only with us, with the ADs or with anyone around. So today I can sit here very confidently, look in his eyes and behave relaxed and chilled out. Like I could behave with any other co-star, and that's all credit to him, because
I sometimes say anything without thinking.
That she says
he
anything.
snubs me when it's required.
Like what did you say again?
But that's what he does. He kind of makes you feel so comfortable.
She asks for conviction and motivation.
No, they just pull my leg like that. But otherwise, he makes you feel so comfortable, and he's so normal as a person. I think जितना जितना प्यार मुझे शाहरुख खान से था, I think after just meeting him, it's just increased much more.
But I remember you telling me that you're scared of Kajol and not.
Yeah.
So what was that?
That's because when I was a AD, even you know that.
Yeah.
So I would give scenes to them, and he's always been very sweet, and he's always awake also when I would go to give the scenes. Saying, "Beta, coffee
always
piyega,
awake.
kuch khayega," and all. So I was very relaxed with him. She shouted at me 2-3 times when I gave her this. Why so late in the night you're giving me scene? I said, I got it right now. Why don't do this? Tell him I don't want the scene. So I would get a little scared of her. But she's honestly been a blast to work with. In fact, this film, she's only made me laugh. In every scene. Whether it's an emotional scene, a drama scene, a comedy scene, she has only made me laugh.
So what did you feel when, say, Varun goofed up a scene, I believe, one scene, he goofed up in the end, he
In
was
my
telling
cue,
you. Yeah.
Which one?
मैं आपको क्यू दे रहा था वो इमोशनल सीन में और मैंने कुछ गलत बोल दिया था.
So, such a senior actor, and you know, how do you be
I think
patient?
I'll be very honest here. I've worked with a lot of people. I've been working for 25 years. There's nothing like a senior and junior actor. Actors are actors. It's got nothing to do with age or the time that you've spent. Yes, you will have experience. You may have better technique because you have experienced it more. But there's nothing like, I mean, the worst thing or the best thing possible is to act with a child who's 6 years old, and he'll teach you acting inside out. He'll turn you upside down and say, you know, this is how acting should be. So you can learn from a kid. So it's not, I've never thought of this as कि इन्होंने 2 फिल्म की है, क्योंकि मैं सच बोलूँगा, जब मैंने पहली फिल्म की थी मुझे लगता था मैं दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा एक्टर हूँ, और मैं हूँ, और तब से हूँ और अभी तक रहूँगा. So I believe that, and I think every actor should believe it. I think he's the best actor in the world. I think she's the best actor in the world, and we should respect that, because at the end of it, from every actor, if you don't learn something new, so yeah, messing up a line, forgetting something, I've done 45 takes for scenes so often. I've not got a dance step for hours, and everybody's very kind to me. मैं एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ अभी फैन के अंदर नहीं होता है तो वैभवी और मनीष मुझको 50 टेक करते हैं. But they do it with kindness. So I think kindness is the hallmark of creativity, that you sit down and say, चलो यार कोई बात नहीं. गलत तो तभी होता है कि जब सही करना चाहते हैं. अगर हम सही नहीं करना चाहते तो गलत को एक्सेप्ट करके मूव कर सकते हैं. So it's nice if you make mistakes. I think every child, I teach my children this, and I would teach every actor this, have the propensity, have the capability to say, I don't know. And I think these two are the best actors because they both say that. I don't know how to do the same. And if you can say that, means you're a clean slate, you can learn it, it'll be different, it'll be nice, it's not कि घर से सीख के आ गया अपना मैं ऐसे ही करूँगा और यही आता है मुझको. So I had great fun working with them, and they're very conscientious, and I don't want to sound patronizing and old and experienced, but it's great fun working with them. Yeah. They know their lines, they know their shit, they walk around, they do stuff, they do it wrong, they do it right, they look beautiful, they're marvelous, and you know, and
How was it with Kajol? I mean, it's your 7th film now. 6 big hits.
Kajol is unbearable. काजल वैसे ना 22 साल से हम एक दूसरे को झेल रहे हैं और मैंने हमेशा बोला है, शी इज़ नॉट एन एक्टर. She believes and she does. If she believes in something, she's the most loving on the set, and you have great time. If she doesn't like something, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि प्यार से बोलेगी, वो मुंह पे ही बोल देगी. What is this nonsense line you're saying? I don't like it. So she's got an opinion, very strong one, and very genuine and heartfelt. And you cannot dislike Kajol for that. Kajol is Kajol. She can never be contained. Like I was talking about children, Kajol is like a child. Her acting is full of innocence. So you don't पहली 2 बार अगर काम कर रहे हो तो ऐसा अजीब लग सकता है कि अरे यार ये कैसे behave करें? Is it because of her seniority? Is it because she's Kajol? No, after 2 days you realize she is just like that. And she'll do the same thing for you. Like if you tell her Kajol ये अच्छा नहीं है, so she'll also really not good. Then what to do now?
Okay, she takes it.
Yeah, she's one of the most honest, earnest actors I've worked with, and I'm fortunate to have worked with her for such a long time. I'm fortunate that we're all working with her.
She took time to say yes. There was a lot of back and forth. She took her time. You were very keen that she should be in the film.
Not really. Kajol, I think दूसरी कोई फिल्म करने वाली थी उस वक्त, and कुछ टाइमिंग का बात था. But काजोल और मेरी दोस्ती ऐसी है कि मैं अगर काजोल को 3 बजे रात को फ़ोन करके बोलूँ कि काजोल यार कल कुछ शूटिंग है, तो ये मुझसे पूछेगी नहीं. And it goes for me also. If she says, Shahrukh, I need you to come and do something for me, I won't ask her what, I'll just come and do it. So she heard the story once, and that's it. She heard the whole narration. रोहित बहुत अच्छी narration देते हैं. बहुत detailed narration होती है उनकी. 3-3.5 घंटे म्यूजिक के साथ. तो उन्होंने दी और she said, I love it. It's really nice. I want to do it. At that time वो कुछ और भी कर रही थी. तो कुछ डेट का इशू था, but I think that film didn't happen now. So I think we got the dates and we started doing.
I think it was a Ram Madhwani's film she was doing, yeah.
I have no idea.
Yeah, but that song in Iceland, sir, could you elaborate?
अब कितना
All that,
और क्या elaborate?
all that happened. There was so much of.
एक idea था कि we should do a love song, और हमने रोहित को ऐसा लगा, हम सबको ऐसा लगा कि काजोल एंड मी, आई डोंट नो इफ वी विल डू अ यंग लव सॉन्ग अगेन, वी मे डू अनदर फिल्म, अदर फिल्म्स टुगेदर, बट वी जस्ट फेल्ट कि हमने बाई चांस ऐसे 2-4 गाने किए हैं, चाहे वो तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम है, या वो सूरज हुआ मध्यम है, या वो तुम पास आए कुछ कुछ होता है, या even you know तेरे नैना तेरे, we have some really nice songs, romantic songs together, so it kind of becomes कि अब हम क्या करें नया, so हम तो नए नहीं हैं, तो हमने कहा locations नहीं ढूंढ लेते, so we went to a place which has never been touched before, it's been touched by Game of Thrones, by Interstellar, by Justin Bieber, by Noha, a lot of films have been shot there, it's out of this world, that place. As a matter of fact, अगर हमारी फिल्म के बाद हमको वक्त मिलेगा तो we should go there for a weekend just to celebrate the film. It's beautiful over there.
We should Gero.
They were not there.
Yeah.
No, we just actually हमने 5 दिन में decide किया. We were supposed to be shooting in Hyderabad.
Then we came directly over there.
We just requested them कि 5 दिन हम जा रहे हैं, Iceland जा रहे हैं. Last दिन में 5 दिन में decide किया and we just went there and shot the song.
So you, Kriti, this film, how important was it for you? Because you left a film for this. I mean, I Sing is Bling.
I won't say that I left the film for this, but yeah, it was the timing, and unfortunately that I couldn't do 2 films at the same time because both films demanded a lot of dates, and I really wished that I could do both together, but that was not possible. And Sing is Bling was getting pushed. It got pushed by like about 5 months, and I had already given dates for Dilwale, so then I couldn't. It was sort of a mutual decision. But having said that, Dilwale anyways, regardless of the other things around it, is a very, very important film for me and for my career. And I just always say this, that I feel blessed to be a part of this film.
So just one last thing. There's a big clash obviously between the 2 movies. How do you take that? I mean, between Bajirao and...
I mean, if films clash, I always say this is unfortunate. It's unfortunate because business will get divided, and I'm sure Bajirao Mastani is a very nice film. Sanjay makes really nice films. I think we've also made a good film. And if it wasn't there, it would have been nicer. If it is there, then it's just nice.
What about you, Varun?
I think, like Sir said, I think it's been going on for too long here.
It's not bothering you anymore?
No, it's not about bothering me. I get, obviously, like any normal actor, I also get a little stressed before my release and everything, but my stress is for my work. And my stress is for my film and my family. I can't sit and worry about something else that's going to happen over there. I mean, you never know, something else might happen. Anytime tomorrow, something might happen to you. I just mean like, I'm saying generally life is unpredictable. Life is unpredictable. Anything can happen.
Yeah. I've lost film business because of bad weather on the weekend. Yeah.
Exactly.
Having said that, I think it's unfortunate that you don't have a free Friday for a big film like ours, and neither do they have a free Friday for a big film like this. And I think both the directors are extremely important directors as far as commerce and art is concerned. And if it wasn't so, would be better. If it is so, we all wish actually, they're all friends, कि उनका भी अच्छा हो जाए, हमारा भी अच्छा हो जाए, वो सब ठीक ठाक हो जाए. नहीं होता तो बेहतर है. अब हो गया है तो there is nothing, there is no angst or negativity. I just wish all of us actually, we were sitting and talking the other day that we really wish them the best, and I hope good things happen to their film, and inshallah really good things happen to our film.
It doesn't need to be like a clash. I mean, I don't know. There's just 2 films releasing,
I think there's so many films and there's such less number of weekends. You can't really control all of that, and it's a festive time. It's a long holiday,
films,
and they're completely different
we'll
films.
Find audiences with different tastes coming to both the films, inshallah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Varun.
I'm hot, you're not. I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. Galaxy, galaxy.